Yeah.
Oh, no thanks. I'm kind of nauseous.
Montezuma's revenge. I warned you not to drink the water down there.
I didn't.
Yeah, well, you didn't drink the tequila either.
Well, maybe I didn't want to watch you get shit-faced for 4 days in Mexico.
That's what people do down there. What did you expect?
Teardrop diamond ring.
Here we go. Babe, one day you'll get your ring, okay? I promise. Peace offering. Hey! Why'd you do that? Hey, dude, don't trip. We got 2 keys.
Wait, what did you say?
I can't remember.
2 kilos of pot? Does that refresh your memory?
Oh, sorry, bad brain cells. I'll just be back here if anyone needs me. Morgan is baked, all right? He doesn't know what he's saying.
Please tell me we didn't go to Mexico to buy pot.
We did not go to Mexico to buy pot. Babe, I'm not a dope smuggler, okay? Just an ordinary guy on an extraordinary trip with the woman that I love.
Save it.
Hey, I say we dump her and get the hell out of here. Well, maybe we should vote on it.
No, Kemper, no.
Why not, Aaron? It's a damn democracy.
You think you'd be okay if we just left your body here?
Hey, nobody asked her to blow her brains out in our van. Hey, my van. I say we dump her. You're such a pig. Cool, that's 2 votes. 1 more and we're out of this cow town. Kemper? Baby, she's dead, all right? I mean, it doesn't matter where we leave her.
Well, it matters to me. I mean, does that still count for anything?
Aaron.
Oh, don't Aaron me. I mean, shit, if we leave this body here, then we're just gonna get in a load of trouble. What if that old lady got our plates?
I'm changing my vote. We could be in some serious deep shit. Oh, she could care less. You heard her. What you do is your own business. Man, that's like gospel in these prairie village. Come on.
Kemper, look, I'm serious. If you're gonna leave this poor girl here, then you're gonna leave me too. I gotta fucking help him. He's killing him. He's killing him.
Well, now we're getting somewhere. Who is
the guy with the chainsaw? He's over there. He's over there. You gotta help me. You gotta fucking believe me.
All right. You just keep your pretty little ass in that dirt until I say otherwise, all right?
I don't fucking believe it.
Well, that makes 2.
I don't fucking believe this.
You want to know what I think? I think that your boyfriend shot that poor little girl.
He did not. He did not. You ignorant. You fucking ignorant asshole. He's over there. He's killing him.
All right, you just stay down. You just stay down on that dirt.